area. Hackney Marshes, very windy, very windy. A tree broke and just missed me. If I went any faster, that tree would have hit me on my head. So I'm here at the moment. Very windy, very windy. Rain's coming down. So this is why you should never come to places windy. I didn't know it was gonna get that windy. I was just trying to navigate to Millfield Park, and big heavy rain. I mean rain and wind. Trees breaking. So look at all this. No good, Joe. No good, Joe. So I gotta kind of wait out a bit. Once I wait out, I'm good to go. So here for the time being. Once it cools down, I'll make my way out of it and we'll be good to go. So pretty damn good though. Oh God, that rain's heavy. I need to get more into the bushes. I need to access in there. If I could get into there, I'm good to go. Like getting home ain't gonna be that easy, yeah. Just gotta wait out a bit. Fortunately, this is the only shelter, so I'm just gonna have to hide here for a bit. Good thing the rain's blown at an angle, means I'm in an advantage, so I'm good, Joe. Let me try to get more into the bushes. Oh God.